Today I'm going to show you how to grease wheel bearings without any tools whatsoever. All you need is a wheel bearing, grease, and your hand. Preferably clean, not like mine. So what you do is you take a scoop of the wheel bearing grease, put it on your hand like so. Then find the edge of the bearing, and all you do is you scoop some of it up a little bit at a time. The goal is to fill the inside of the bearing with grease. Now some of it will go on the outside, and that's okay. As you can see, it's filling up slowly on this side. Keep doing it, and then move the wheel bearing. Keep doing it again. Going up, turn it. The goal is not to have any bearings rattle like they were a minute ago. That means all the wheel bearings, all the bearings are in grease. You can also flip it over. Well, as you can see, this one's all filled up with grease, but here you can still see the bearings. That means that you still have to put more grease right in this area. See, it starts coming out. Same thing here. Boom. And this is how properly grease the wheel bearing with no tools whatsoever except for your hand. Thank you for watching.